Rice doesn't have to be boring. Meet your rice makeover. Did you know rice could party like this? Crispy carrots, leeks, sultanas. Who knew it'll work with noodles too? Let's get right into preparation. Take a leek, divide it into 3 as I did, and use the middle portion. The greener part that most people discard or ends up, hopefully, in a stock. I will utilize this portion to make the crispy leeks. Let's begin by removing the layers and giving them a thorough wash. To do this, simply cut halfway into the leek down the center. I will be using this part, and I'll keep this for later. I also have half a cup of sultanas. You can use the golden ones if you can get them, and the same amount of cashews. You can choose unsalted or salted if you prefer. Let's wash the leaves thoroughly under running water. As I mentioned earlier, sometimes the best part of vegetables are often thrown away. The dark green leafy parts are tougher and more fibrous. But here's a tip, don't toss them. They're great for making vegetable stock, soups and broths, adding to stir fries if sliced thin and cooked longer, as what I'm about to do here. Simply stack a few leaves together, slice them as thin as you can, julienne. Fast forward here, and now for the carrots, around about the same length and the same thickness. The style of cutting is julienne, or at least try to make it like that. Also referred to as a matchstick cut. I have trimmed the edges off the carrot for even cutting, but really you don't have to. I'm having it as a snack, but utilize the whole vegetable as it is a simple rice dish. And so in the same way as we cut the leeks, let's cut the carrots. I wish I was this fast. Simply place the carrots and the leeks into separate bowls, just like this. Now simply add about a teaspoon of olive oil to each one. Add 1 or 2 pinches of salt, give it a mix, then a taste. I've tasted the carrot, it needs a little more salt. I'll go ahead and add some in. I did the same with the leeks. Tastes great. You can pop these in the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using an air fryer here. It's simple and it's quick, and it only takes a few minutes. I'm putting a lid on this and I'm setting mine to 360 Fahrenheit. It was set for 6 minutes, but I began checking after 3 minutes and every minute after that. After a total of about 5 minutes, the carrots were lightly brown and I removed them from the pan and allowed to air dry. And let's do the same for the leeks. The rice is ready, and let's wait for the leeks to finish cooking and put this together. I'm using jasmine rice here. It will certainly work with basmati, or any rice dish will definitely work. Simply bring the ingredients together by taking a little rice at a time and mixing it with the crispy carrots and leeks, sultanas and cashew nuts. This is a simple way how you can turn plain rice into a festive side dish with textures in every spoonful. Each layer adds something different: crisp, sweet, nutty, and comforting. Transfer to a plate or serving dish for presentation. Present it well. Let's add some color using those crispy carrots. Fluffy rice at the base, then layers of crispy carrots and leeks, sweet sultanas, and buttery cashews in every bite. These crispy carrots and leeks aren't just for rice, they're incredible with rice noodles too. The warm noodles soak up the seasoning, while the crispy veg stay light and crunchy. Then you get little pops of sweetness from the sultanas and buttery cashews in every forkful. I'm using salted cashews here, so you get contrast of sweet from sultanas and saltiness from cashews. Here's why it works with rice noodles. Rice noodles are neutral, so they carry the flavor without competing. The crispy veg will add lift, stopping the dish from feeling heavy, while sultanas brings sweetness instead of sugar. Cashews add richness and bite. So there you have it. Rice or noodles, this one always works. Simple ingredients, smart layering, and big flavor. So what can you serve this with? Don't be stuck for recipes. Here with a few ideas like this crispy whole Mediterranean sea bass, crispy wings or butter-fried chili garlic prawns, chicken curry or beef curry, and if vegetarian, stuffed long peppers and crispy tofu. Save this one, try it, and follow for more easy wins. Thanks for watching Vijit's Kitchen.